Okay, so good. Now I want to
I
again
think
ask
value. There's
everyone
music.
here their maybe grade level or status. So who
Ako,
here
just
is
like,
like elementary? Raise your hands. Who here is maybe like grade two, grade three?
pero
Do we
always,
have anyone here?
always listen to activities.
Oh, there's a few there. That's how many
Yeah.
there? One, two, three. Okay, how about high school? Who's in their high schools? Uh, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, there's a lot of high schoolers here.
High school?
Okay, last but not the least,
What's
who
up?
are who here is in their college, taking their bachelors or their masters? Oh, there we have a lot of college students here. Yes, the future leaders for Japan. So yes, let's all give yourselves a round of applause here. So
Pagi.
last but not the least, I want to ask everyone here this, like
Lahat
probably
sila.
one of the most easiest but most important questions. And that question is, do you want to be successful in life? Yes, right? Who here wants to have a beautiful house when they grow up? Raise your hands. Oh, you don't want a beautiful house? Who wants a mansion? Who wants a mansion? You're raising both hands. Who wants a beautiful car? Like what's your dream car here? Who wants a Lamborghini or a private jet? You want
Ford.
you want to fly around the world? All right, very few hands. You don't want your private jet. You don't want this. Okay, maybe you're more humble than I thought. So very good.
More humble,
But
yeah.
anyway, so of course, everyone really wants to be successful.
Talking loud.
Really confident.
Everyone really
Even
wants
if
to
she
be
make mistakes,
successful
like, oh
in life.
sorry.
When they want to have a stable family, they just want to relax or simply live their life to the fullest, correct? And as students or as the future for essentially for Nepal, of course, you need to study, correct? You want to focus.
Yes, I'm always.
You want to focus in your life. You want
Like
to
mommy.
learn. You need to get educated so that you can be ready for your future jobs, right? And that's the same thing for me as well. So I think a lot of college students would understand that as a college student, you really need to focus on your education, right? You study every day. You want your scholarships. You want to get good grades. So in the future, you can have a good job, a stable life, and essentially enjoy your life, correct? And that's exactly the same thing I used to be just actually the start of the year from March to March. I was constantly focusing on my engineering degree. I was preparing for my exams. And actually at that same point during my exams, father suddenly my father suddenly invited me that I should join this MFTC program. And when I was first given this, I was actually first rejecting it or against it. Because again, as I think all of you as college students would understand, you need to focus, especially on college. You want to focus on your schools, you want to focus on your grades, and you want to focus on graduating before anything else, correct? So that was also the same case for me. And actually, it was only within like for 2 weeks I really ignored this and just kept on my normal education, my exams, until only in the last day I really started thinking about this and thinking about my final decision. And it was only actually in the last hour that I decided to join. And during that last hour, actually, it was because I made a very important not just decision, but thought. And that thought was the role as a leader, or more specifically, the role as myself as a self-sustainable individual. Because actually, if you think about it, let's be real here. If if you really want to achieve your goal, no matter what, if you really want to achieve your dreams for your future, then really nothing can stop you from achieving your goal. Maybe yes, there will be delays. Maybe there will be obstacles that will be difficult to overcome. But if you really want to achieve your goals, then you will be able to achieve them regardless of the challenge or regardless of the detours and delays that you're given. And that's one of the biggest things I realized because even though I skipped my school for a full year, the school's not going anywhere. After the next year, I can just go back and continue my studies. And more importantly, within 1 year, because this is a leadership training, it trains your self-sustainability. It trains your first it trains your experience in the open world. You're no longer just in a simulated area that will lecture you the basics. You are actually experiencing it firsthand. And that's actually one of the biggest examples that I learned there is within just 1 month, I've actually learned how to perform public speaking. So, for example, right now I'm actually standing here in front of all of you, but in just last year, I would always be the person similar to just sitting behind in the sidelines, and something I never thought I would learn. But in the end, I managed to learn this, and although I am missing out on my and although I'm missing out on the opportunity or I'm falling back behind in my school, as right now my other classmates are currently taking their next exams actually while I'm speaking. I don't regret a single miss on them because in the end I can always just catch up with them. Yes, I'll be a bit further behind them, but that won't stop me from missing my opportunity. So yes, like I guess, but now that you're hearing this, I don't want. This doesn't mean that you should just stop schooling right away and that's not what I'm asking. But instead, I want you to really think about this and maybe prepare yourselves to consider if this is possible, considering the opportunity and the experiences that you might learn in just 1 year. Because it's just been 5 months that we've been here. We've learned very many beautiful experiences. It's not just going from different countries and learning their experiences and culture, but it's also our internal experiences that we will carry on with us in the future after this 1 year. So, yes, thank you so much for listening to this and thank you.